Welcome back to another episode. This one is going to be slightly different to what we normally do. We normally follow a series. This is a series of creating images or creating videos, depending on what series you're watching. However, today we're going to be going over a bit of marketing. Now, you guys might not know my background in marketing, but I've been doing OFM for a few years now, and also been helping out on OFM Cole YouTube channel when it comes to providing some advice and kind of background knowledge on marketing. So I'm going to be going over an Instagram review today, basically showing you exactly what I would do to my students most weeks, teaching them how to improve an Instagram page and how you would perfect it and optimize it to be able to get the best conversions and obviously the most amount of subscribers on your fan view page. Because obviously, if we look at your AI models, it's very important that they are very high quality and that they're good videos to be able to convert. However, if the Instagram isn't set up correctly, then how are you going to get people to convert across? So that is what we're going to be going over today. Basically just looking at some of the key factors that are required to be able to get them subscribers onto your page. So let's get into it. Have a look at some reels. So it does look like the account is healthy. You know, we are kind of fluctuating in reels. So we're going from like 7K, 14K, 2K, and then obviously around the 200, 300 mark. So that means the account is healthy. It's not shadow banned. There's no restrictions on the account currently. It's operating absolutely fine in terms of reach and engagement. What I would recommend doing is posting a minimum of 3 per day. So 3 reels per day is kind of what you need to be doing. If you're doing less than that, you're not really meeting the minimum standard and the account isn't going to grow, unfortunately. So 3 reels per day and just drive it as hard as you can. That would be like the main objective. But yeah, overall, I think it's not too bad. Let's have a look at what reels did work and try and understand why. So let's listen to the audio quick. I see that we're replying to people, which is good. So there's no kind of a specific reason I see why this reel is going viral. I guess just people like to engage with it. Maybe you ran ads on it or something like that. But I don't really see like a specific point. Let's have a quick look at this one. Obviously it's good it's gone viral, but there's no like specific point. Something like this is good. So I see that we're doing quite a long form video. I reckon just having one video, just this first initial one there before it cut, and just have that on like repeat would work a lot better. Mainly because people are then going to be rewatching it a lot of times, and that's going to boost it in the algorithm. Because rewatching reels is similar to like getting a like. If someone rewatches it 10 times, it's similar to getting like 10 likes. So having lots of rewatches is very good. So having just like one walking video like that. In fact, I reckon for your next 5 reels, I recommend just having walking videos like this, where the model looks at the camera, then walks away, and that's it. You know, it's 2-3 seconds long. That works quite well by the looks of it with your audience. So try that. Next 3 reels just have very basic, just a walking away video where she's moving her hips quite a bit and see how it goes. Audio is pretty good as well. It's not quite trending, but it's relevant. So it's not just like random audio. I would also look for trending audio. Best way to do this is find competitors in the space, people that are doing very well, that look similar to your model, that are posting a lot of reels. Follow them, and whenever they start getting a lot of views on a post that isn't anything like significant, it could just be like a normal dancing post. As soon as they start getting loads of reels or loads of views on that reel, then obviously just use their audio to repost. Pretty simple, and that's going to help with virality. Because it works with virality within the space. It may say trending on Instagram, but a lot of the time, that's just general Instagram. There's billions of users. We want trending within the niche, so we need to find other models that are currently going viral and use the audios they're using, because that means that customer base likes that audio. So we need to kind of copy that. But yeah, once again, Ryan, replying to comments would be good. That'll help a lot. So yeah, I reckon if you apply quite a few of these things that I mentioned to the reels, you're going to get a lot more views. You could add some captions over the top, but captions normally need to be very specific and target your niche as well. So if you do start doing that, don't just put the general, you know, like blonde hair, Swedish girl, give me a message. That's a bit pointless. Try it kind of relevant to the niche, which will help out a lot. No tags, which is good. I see we're doing daily posts and threads, but once again, I think volume is going to help out a lot. One thing I would be careful of is this watermark down the bottom. Any kind of watermark on Instagram will it won't restrict your account, but it just won't let you get as much reach on that post. So try and remove as many watermarks as possible, and it's gonna help out a lot. Plus, obviously,
So you can see them version.
nah, it's all right. It always happens. But yeah, threads, you can definitely start pumping volume a lot more. So for example, you can do a post like that. That's absolutely fine. Or like repost your reels on the thread section. But what you can also do is just get the basic caption and post it as another reel or something like that. Or just some sort of text pushing people towards the main Instagram or anything like that. But we normally say around 10 posts per day on threads. So quite a lot. But it doesn't just have to be images. It can be text as well. It can be videos. It can be whatever. But we normally reckon a minimum of 10. So minimum of 3 reels, minimum of 10 threads, and that's kind of the minimum standard. If you can then do that across 3 or 4 accounts, that's when you're going to start growing a lot quicker, and that's when you're going to be able to reach the 5+ K months, which is obviously kind of what we're aiming for. Hopefully you've taken some value from this video today, and this is what I do with my students most of the time. I give them an Instagram review that's personalized to their account so that they can make specific improvements to have significant effects on conversions, which is obviously very, very important if you want to succeed. Now, this isn't done just via OnlyFans or FanView. This can also be done for brand deals or even just conversions into your funnel, and then you can funnel or monetize your audience in any kind of way you want. But having these key points that I've spoken about today is going to be very, very helpful when it comes to getting people across the line and getting sales on your accounts. So please subscribe. Make sure that you follow along on this channel, because it's going to be providing a lot of value just for you so that you guys can succeed within any kind of AI industry that you want.